At the beginning of 2024, you'd be forgiven for thinking that the model railway industry is in a pretty dire state. That with the ending of the UK's biggest model railway exhibition and also the closing of one of Britain's biggest model railway retailers. So when Key Publishing, the company behind Hornby and Airfix magazines, got in touch with Accurascale to say, we're putting on something the UK has not seen before, would you like to be involved? Accurascale jumped at the chance. The phone call was very short. Key Publishing said, we're putting on a brand new show called Model World Live at the NEC. Would Accurascale A, like to be there, and B, would you like to bring something? Both questions had the same answer. Yes. So I've come here to Crewe Heritage Centre to pick out the new centrepiece locomotive for the brand new show at the NEC. Now, of course, it would have to be something either in the range or not quite in the range. It's just down here. It's very nice, but I think we can do bigger. And how about a 90? No one would see it coming, that's for sure. Now, wouldn't this make a statement, but as you can see, probably a tad too big. I wish. Stop encouraging them. It's definitely not going to be one of these. How about a tram? That would certainly be different. Of course it's a Class 37. What other locomotive could it have been other than Britain's favourite diesel locomotive? Now, 37108 next to me here is actually undergoing a full restoration, and I caught up with owner Rick Davenport to find out why it's been saved and why it's been preserved.
September 1996, it was stored unserviceable at Bescot. With a generator fault, I believe, obviously a long time ago now. It hung around there for a year or two, then moved up to Carnforth under new ownership. Spent about 10 years there. Was partly stripped down for overhaul, and then we acquired it, brought it here to continue its restoration, which we're sort of part way through at the moment. What we're trying to do really is get the body shell where it's rot-free. We've got a lot of nice overhaul components to go back in it as well. It's still relatively early on in its restoration. There is a lot of work still to do. You know, we have actually come a long way with it. Obviously, it looks nice and shiny now, but there's still a lot of steel work to do and a lot of work to do inside. But we're getting there. We are getting there. The loco is moving to Ruddington to continue its restoration, so it'll be a bit of a slow transition, like a lot of things are. In terms of Model World Live and Accurascale, they came to us a couple of months ago, put this bit of a proposal together, and yeah, it's fantastic really, because we've obviously not been doing a lot with the loco of late. Last couple of years, its progress has really slowed, mainly because we've been on with the Sentinel, but it's really given us that sort of spur on to get going. It's been fantastic, really. All the sort of help and favourable comments and the working together to be able to be part of the show is just phenomenal, really. It's unbelievable. It's exactly what we really need to be able to pick up with the loco again. There's been a fantastic amount of working together going on, between yourselves and Reed Freight as well, and all the lads that come down and help. They've been fantastic, really. It's really given us like the sort of come on, pick up with it again. We're getting to the point where we wanted to be for a year or two to smarten it up and give us that thing to crack on. We've been presented with an opportunity working with some great people, and we ain't going to miss up with that. We're cracking on the best we can, and yeah, looks nice and shiny from this angle.
And let me tell you, here at Accurascale, we are immensely proud in being involved, even in just a small way, in the preservation of another Class 37, another British icon saved. Moving it from here at Crewe Heritage Centre to the NEC and then to its new home in Ruddington, we will play our part in saving what is a stunning locomotive. Now, talking about the new show, I managed to grab Mike Wild, who's organising the new Model World Live show at the NEC in April, earlier for a few words to tell us all about the show.
Model World Live has been about creating an event which is, for me, I think is going to be something people just want to be at. We've got such a huge lineup of stands at the show. It's got more than 150 stands for the event, and they're covering such a broad spectrum of interests as well, but with really top quality exhibits as well. So the things we did, like at the Great Electric Train Show, we've always gone for top quality model railways at the Great Electric Train Show. We wanted to continue that on for Model World Live as well. So we've got some brilliant layouts coming to the show. Plus, actually, for this first year as well, we've got something really special. We've got a world record attempt with the Making Tracks team as well. So they're aiming to create the largest portable model railway for Model World Live, which is Making Tracks the Final Frontier, and to get it officially recognised in the Guinness Book of World Records as well. So that's going to be a huge undertaking for them, and that's going to be our centrepiece model railway layout. We've also got huge and stunning displays of scale modelling. We've got some fantastic radio-controlled trucks as well, which can be driving, and they've got excavators building things as well. We're really excited to see all those in action. We've got a massive display of radio-controlled flying aircraft as well. Unfortunately, can't fly them in the show halls, but they are there so you can see them. Some really nice aircraft on the lineup for those. We've also got full-size exhibits like this one right behind me here. We've got 37108 coming to the show, but we've also got military vehicles, and we've also got a full-scale version of the Tamiya Bruiser radio-controlled car, which is really quite a famous radio-control kit. And plus, what you always need at a modelling show is shopping, and we've got shopping galore at the show. Everything you want, from a brand new locomotive to the latest plastic kit, right through to all the different accessories and details you could want to build your scale model or model railway. So Model World Live takes place on April 27th and 28th, 2024 at the NEC in Birmingham. We're in Hall 12. Advance tickets are on sale now for the show, starting at £16 for adults and £9 for children. Plus, we've also got our VIP package, which costs £50 for a VIP ticket. If you want to turn up on the day to buy a ticket, you can do so as well. And adult tickets on the day will cost £19 and £10 for children. Plus, on Sunday, we're doing our Kids Go Free on Sunday deal as well. So for every paying adult that comes in on Sunday, they can bring up to 2 children in for free with them as well. And full details of all those ticket prices and how to buy them are available on keymodelworld.com/Model World Live.
And there we are, something to keep you busy next weekend. So if you do want to come down to the new NEC show, Model World Live, next weekend and see 37108, come and see the Accurascale stand, plus so much more. All the details are down below in the description, where you can pre-order your tickets, pre-order your car park spaces, and save the odd couple of pound. It'd be great to see you. I'll be there, the 37 will be there, and the whole team will be there. So hopefully I'll see you next weekend. All I have to do now is find a truck big enough.